Hi and welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to replace the driver's seat belt on a 2008 Chevy Uplander. This works from 2005 all the way up to 2009. Now, believe it or not, I have to replace mine because of this little damage here. The shop didn't want to certify it. So it is what it is. I'll show you step by step what has to be removed in order to take this out. Okay, first I thought that I will have to remove all these plastic trim pieces to access the screws holding this top part, but that's actually not the case. If you just pop this plastic piece open, I'm trying to work with one hand here. There is a screw holding it right here, so what you want to do, just remove that screw and part of the job is done. You will need a 15mm socket to remove this top nut. Okay, once you remove it, the top part of the belt will just fall down. It's gonna be loose, and this is the nut you want to remove. So like I said, 15mm. Okay, next thing you will want to do, you will want to pull this seat all the way forward by pulling onto this lever, and that way you will get access to this screw right here, because as you can see, this bottom part of the seat belt is held with the same screw as the seat, and you will have to remove this nut. Okay, once you have removed this 18mm nut, you'll have to remove the front one as well, and the front one is 15mm, because you will have to lift this side of the seat up in order to pull this black piece that's holding the seat belt. Okay, once you have removed both of those nuts, the idea is to lift the seat up so you can pull this black piece of this screw. I'll try to record it as well. I think you can see it better from this side. So this black piece is supposed to go off that screw as well, but there is still this metal ring holding it. So what you will have to do, use like a flat screwdriver to slowly pry that metal piece off the screw. That might give you some trouble. I'm trying to record this. This is what you want to do. Just pry it up, you see, from all sides until you get it off that stupid screw, and then you can pull this black piece. Okay, so once you have this ring off, I ended up using pliers to pull it up. You can easily just remove this piece. And now we have removed the top part of the seat belt, the bottom part of the seat belt. Now we just have to remove this part here. So what I will be doing, I will be removing this complete plastic trim cover, and hopefully that way I'll be able to unscrew the bottom part. Okay, so to remove this piece, you see there is a couple of these white pins. So what I did, I just used my flat screwdriver and I just pry them out all the way down to here. So this is pretty much held by these pins. And then what you want to do, you want to pop this up a bit as well, so you can remove the bottom piece that goes underneath this. And you'll want to do this at the front end here as well, because this is all one piece up to here and here. So I have this piece off, and as you can see, okay, it's attached with these two pins to this upper part, but that's easy just to pull down. And then you have this couple of these white pins that are holding it in place, and there is nothing holding it here on either side. It's just tucked in under this plastic piece. So once I have all this down, I was right, I did have to remove this plastic trim piece, because this main part of the seat belt assembly. It's held by this screw right down here below it, and that's a T50. So this is the one you will need. So just remove this screw, and hopefully this will be the last one. Okay, and this is it, and this was the last screw. So my complete seatbelt assembly is out. It's a bit bigger job than I expected, but it's doable. So all you will need is a 15mm socket, 18mm socket, and this torx T50. And now one very important thing at the bottom of this last piece, this is like the airbag sensor, seatbelt sensor. You will need to unplug it here, but you do that when you disconnect your battery. So before you start doing this job, disconnect the battery, and then once you get the new seatbelt, while the battery is disconnected, first connect this connector, and then put everything back together, and then hook up the battery back. If you do this job without disconnecting the battery, once you remove this, once you disconnect this, you might get your airbag light on or a seatbelt light on, and then you'll have to take it to a dealer or to a mechanical shop if you don't have a scanner to reset it for you. So don't forget to work while the battery is disconnected. One more thing which I forgot to mention, as it looks like if you get your new seatbelt from a salvage or something like that, you'll probably have to get it together with this piece, because you won't be able to pull this assembly through this small hole right here. So that means that this plastic trim is actually a piece of this complete seatbelt assembly. But yeah, that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you were able to remove your seatbelt. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, give me your support. I try to post new videos daily. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.